Okay, so the ordering box appears as sort of dark gray. Is there an easy way to make the menu heading bars appear in other colors to try to stick with the origin, with the orange and blue of our homepage? Yeah, you can change that. It's from the customize page. So for example, uh, so here's your order online page, right? And then you have a black color, and then basically what you're trying to do is change these colors. That's what I'm assuming. So what you would do is you go on the back end and then press store interface, right here, store interfaces, and then press customize. See it right here, customize? Press that one time. And then here's all your options to change the colors. See, you can make it different colors. You can do different sizes. So you have all these options here. You can, even show display more. Watch, let me show you what that is. See how when you do that, it says show more. You can actually remove that. So like when I click on that, it's gonna be gone. That way, again, you can turn that back on, but I'm just giving you an example. See, show more is gonna be gone now. Let it load because it's updating it, and then see show more is gone. People can see everything. That's just one example, but your point is to change this one. Again, to change that, you would do right here. See, it says category titles background color, categories background color. Right here, you can change that. So you just go look up the font color that you want, and then you can change it right there. So you're probably wondering, what are the font colors? Yeah, you go to Google and then type in font color codes. See, look, here's all the different color codes. So you can htmlcolorcodes.com. When I click on this, I can it will show me all the color possibilities. So I'm going to click on this, and then I'm going to put my mouse over a certain color I like. I'm going to say it right here, and then there's my code. I'm going to copy it. Again, I'm just showing you, so make sure you choose a different color. I'm just kind of giving an idea. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, categories background color. Okay. Press save options. And I'm going to go here now. Oh, sorry, I think I changed the wrong one. Let me go back here. Put it over here, okay? Right there. Okay, like that. Okay, there we go. So and I'm going to press refresh the page. Give it a second for it to load. See how it's a different color now? Yeah, and then if you want to change this one, you could do the same thing. Watch, I'm going to do, see, this is the one I changed right here. So I'm going to say, now I'm going to change this one. Categories background color. Oh, sorry, which one did I change? Categories title background color. Let me see which one I changed here. Yeah, I changed this one here. Let me go ahead and change this one here. Categories. There we go. I think I didn't put the pound. So make sure you put the hashtag, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and change both of them. Even though you can change them independently, I'm gonna do both. So we should have orange and orange. There you go. See, orange and orange. So basically what I did was I did it right here. Background color, and then the titles color, titles background. So this one is this one, and then this one is this one here. Okay, so go ahead and play with it. Again, the website is called htmlcolorcodes.com. Go to Google, just type in color codes, and then you'll see it. So you can just kind of see which color you want, and then you can add that. All right, so it's all right here. And then you can do other color options too if you want. Just play with it and see what you like best. All right, take care. Thank you so much.